In slow motion, the Komodo's huge jaws open wide, saliva dripping. In slow motion, the Komodo's huge jaws open wide, saliva dripping from razor-sharp teeth. Suddenly leaps sideways with lightning reflexes, narrowly dodging the Komodo's snapping jaws. Again, its forked tongue flicking in and out, eyes locked on the German Shepherd. Violent shake of its head, the Komodo lifts the struggling sheep high off the ground. Dust and tufts. The Komodo dragon turns, its glowing eyes fixed on the approaching men. It growls with